about 3 or 4 years, all those mundane tasks that you're paying people for is all going to be done by AI, which means you're going to have 40% more time. And my question to you today is, what are you going to do with that 40% extra time? As you think about your engagement and your mission for your business, you need to have a clear idea of how the client fits in. Leaving the client out of the process is not an option. And trying to keep customers happy, clients happy when you're doing at scale can be very challenging. And so one day, upper management convened a meeting of all of us directors. And they said, okay, we want to design the best client service department possible. I don't believe that a client service department is the solution to your business problems. Client service is not a department. Client service is the strategy. Because remember, you are the product. And every interaction that you have with the client carries special weight. And your service is what makes the biggest difference. So how do you provide that delightful client experience that makes them walk away and say, wow, that tasted good?
You know, Shailesh, it really helped me break through a little mental block I have. You know, when we worked with clients, we think about client services. It's not a department, he said. It's like
they're actually wanting to have a problem solved. And if you can solve that problem and you can delight them, you will have a winning strategy for your business. My name is Shailesh. Thank you very much for being here.